Are you sick and tired of putting in the same work year after year, but not getting the respect or money you desire and deserve? That's exactly why we put together the Profit Accelerator Workshop. This is not just an event. It's a transformative experience designed for business owners, entrepreneurs, and salespeople who are ready to take control and dominate every aspect of 2024. It's an intimate space with like-minded individuals facing different challenges.
Imagine immersing yourself into an environment with 20 to 30 other entrepreneurs who all share insights, ask the right questions, and collectively elevate each other and their game. This workshop is not just about theory. It also provides you with tangible resources, handouts, and workbooks, giving you actionable strategies that you can implement immediately. But it's not just about tactics. We cultivate the right mindset, empowering you to perform at your peak whenever you step back into the professional world.
It was amazing to be in the room and with so many like-minded, positive business people that to be able to network and connect with them.
You're there not only to learn, but also to build a relationship. I came away with so much wisdom and so much knowledge, so much vision and so much clarity.
Learning things like sales, learning things like strategy, learning things like operations and structure, all the way to things like AI, things like personal branding, using video and social media.
There are so many great thought leaders and business builders in that room. It's amazing.
The energy that Billy has brought in and talked about dreaming big is key. Too many times we leave our dreams.
I've always had goals for the next year around New Year's, but now I've got the tools and the plans to reach those goals.
If you're watching this, just know you should attend it. It's a game changer.
Join us for an immersive experience that's going to bring out the very best, highest version of yourself, both personally and professionally, in 2024 and beyond. Secure your tickets now, and let's accelerate your path to the next level.